All right. Welcome, Tim Forrest, timforrest.com. Hey, I'm excited to share with you a question from one of my viewers of my videos, and I'll just get straight into it. And I thought this would be valuable to other people that are interested in importing products into the U.S. In particular, the email reads, I want to start my business of supplying organic food items to the United States. Can you please help me, guide me through the complete process of becoming a supplier? And so he goes on to ask 4 questions. And the 4 questions, first one is how to find buyers, licensing, shipping, any licensing, and then also as far as shipping management. So I just want to go straight in. We'll just jump into the first question. First one, how can I find buyers? Those are going to buy food products from me directly from India. Well, that's really simple. Very, very simple. That's probably one of the easiest processes. Number 1, select the channel. Pick your region of the country you're going to start in. There's 250 cities in the country, and then you just build a database. So I've got a spreadsheet that I put together to do that, and then you load them into your contact management program and go to work. And that's where it begins. But it's really that simple. And those are the steps. It says, do I need any sort of license to sell my products to a distributor here in the United States? No. Yeah, you don't need a license. The FDA is an enforcement body, and so they're not going to grant you a license. But you do need to follow the rules. You have to know what the laws are. Are they going to come down on you, potentially force a recall, or not even allow your product in at the port if you're not following the requirements from packaging requirements, sanitary, health requirements, etc. on the product? How can I ship it here from India? Does it need any additional license? No, you don't. So you can fly it. So a lot of food products are flown into the United States. The vast volume and bulk of products are brought in. If they're not brought in by truck from Canada or Mexico, they're brought in by boat. Vast majority is brought in at the port, and you don't need a license, but you do need to have proper management of that product and meet the rules. So, and the thing about the port, you're going to have to come through the customs. So there's going to be rules for customs that you're going to have to meet with your food product. The second piece is going to have to be labeled for sale in the United States, and that's going to follow all the packaging requirements. There's available here that can take care of the shipping management as well. That piece is very tricky. You're not really going to want to do that. Traditionally, people that are interested in the U.S. market, there are distributors here in the United States that you can work with. Also, you want to divide that work up. So shipping it here is different from distributing it. And so the shipping, there's lots of people that ship food to the United States. You want to find one and just use their same route, same process. There's 3 things you need to do there as far as shipping. Number 1, your facility has to be registered with the FDA. Number 2, you have to provide prior notice, 30 days to entering the United States. You let them know that you're bringing the food in, and so there's a process to that. And then the last piece is you bring it in. It's really very, very simple and basic. One of the things that's important to know, this viewer of my videos says in here, how can I find buyers that are going to buy food products from me directly from India? And it doesn't work that way. So many folks want to begin to sell products in the United States from overseas, and they're looking for buyers of container loads of product. The people that are going to buy in container load quantities are generally not going to be available to you as a food entrepreneur. So because their volume is so massive, that you're probably not going to be there. If you're going to ship 2 containers, if you're going to ship 20 containers a week, somewhere between 2 and more than 20 containers a week, yes, you can do that. We're talking 100 containers a year in quantity or volume. I doubt you're going to begin your food business at that kind of size or of value. If you are, you could do that. But again, I'm assuming in almost all the cases I've ever worked with food entrepreneurs, rarely do I see anyone that's doing much less a container a week. So 1 container a week, much less 2 containers per week. And so really that's the beginning part of it. I hope this video is of value to you. There's plenty more on my website, timforrest.com, or over at the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Tim Forrest Consulting. If you have any additional questions, be sure to jump on my schedule. If you want to talk to me about it, timforrestmarkets.com, and head over to my website. There's lots of other information there. And also there's hundreds of articles on my blog regarding introducing products to the U.S. food market, blog.timforrest.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.